Hi there, I'm Ryan Streck, Director of Utility Service Delivery at MPW. I'm back today to alert the community about an upcoming MPW construction project requiring a road closure. The road closure will impact Mulberry Avenue between 9th Street and 10th Street from Tuesday, May 31st through Friday, June 24th. The water main in this area has had numerous breaks over the last few years. Because the water main is under the street, repairs are costly each time it breaks, and the numerous disruptions in water service is an inconvenience to our customers. Now, normally in one block we wouldn't have a lot of customers, but here at Jefferson Elementary, we have 444 young customers, and every time the water main is disrupted, we have to cancel school, and that creates a lot of inconvenience. A review of the number of main breaks and the cost of repair weighed against MPW's commitment to reliability made the decision to replace this water main an easy one. This ongoing evaluation of water infrastructure is an example of MPW's continuing investment in reliability. Keeping the road closed during construction will allow MPW water crews to work safely, efficiently, and effectively without the stress of sporadic traffic conditions. Although road closure is inconvenient, the safety of construction crews is imperative. Road detour signs will be placed to guide traffic around the construction zone. Motorists are advised to leave a few minutes early to reach their destination on time and to use caution in and around the work zone. Highway and road work zones are hazardous for both motorists who drive through an array of signs, barrels, and lane changes, and for workers who build, repair, and maintain our streets, bridges, highways, and utility infrastructure. Imagine working next to a busy road. Drivers are going too fast, they're distracted, and those cause major accidents resulting in property damage, even death. Fines and penalties can cost thousands of dollars to offenders as well. Road closures are meant to keep drivers and construction workers all safe. Road construction worker precautions can only work to an extent. To keep everyone safe, drivers must also be mindful of active construction sites on the road. Here are some helpful tips to keep workers, pedestrians, and drivers safe. Pay attention. Signs should be posted well before the construction zone. Pay attention to the posted directions and adjust accordingly. You should also stay aware of any unexpected slows, stops, or movement near the work site. Keep your headlights on, making crew members aware of your presence, especially in instances of low visibility. It's important for everyone's safety. Your headlights also help you navigate the modified road or highway area near the construction zone when it's late at night or otherwise difficult to see. Follow the speed limit. Speeds are lower in construction zones, and it's important to follow them to keep fellow drivers and construction workers safe. You will also face a penalty if you are caught speeding or committing other traffic violations in a construction zone. Give ample space. Tailgating is especially dangerous in construction zones if any sudden stops or slowdowns occur. Be patient and cautious when driving near a construction zone. Our team members are working to ensure Muscatine is supplied with ample, clean, and good-tasting water. Although our work may be an inconvenience when trying to get across town, keep in mind MPW, as well as other organizations, are working on your behalf. Thank you, Mayor Bark, for having me today.